It is our second day in Chiang Mai. I think the time is currently, where's my phone? 8:30 in the morning. We were out last night in a bar called Zoe in Yellow, or Zoe in Yellow, something like that. It was good, but those two are still fast asleep. I don't think they're going to get up for a while. I'm heading over to 7-Eleven to get some mosquito spray, water, something to cure this hangover, and see if they have any like verruca spray. I've got this weird spot on my foot that really hurts. I don't think it's a verruca, but it's come in the past day since we've been at this hostel and I had a shower last night, so I'm assuming that it is. So we'll see if we can find that. But I think today we are going to go to today we're going to go to the Grand Canyon waterfall, I hope. So I probably won't film much until we get there, because I'm just going to sit down waiting for those two to come up and edit yesterday's one and probably upload it. So yeah, I'll see you when we're at the water park. Grand Canyon water park. Cheers, mate. Got a ticket. What's that get us? It gets us entrance, life jacket, and a zip line. Didn't know there was a zip line. Just go have a look over the edge now. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting on there later. Getting on there. Get me on that zip line, do a double backflip off it. Fucking good. I think I might wear this all the time.
What?
I think I might wear this all the time.
Wear it out?
Oh yeah. It's absolutely stunning, mate. I think you do too. Absolutely bloody beautiful.
Thank you.
Nearly went already. Oh, right. Oh, it's not. This isn't difficult at all. What are you doing? Why is it so hard just to walk? How do we get up the slide? Do we have to run up that way? Do we have to run up it, or? Right, this way. Oh, fuck me. Ah. Whoa. Come at me, life jacket.
How's the water, mate?
That's quite nice.
Not bad, yeah. That's good.
My life jacket came undone. No, it's that's for me too. That's for babies. Yeah, it came undone as I jumped. Can you clip it for me, please?
Oh.
I wasn't joking.
I know.
I had to climb up one-handed.
You need to get on the green thing, don't you?
Yeah, no, you have to jump off it.
Yeah, but look at what's below us. Yeah, there's
Behind
spare
you.
cables on that.
Oh right, oh maybe not then. Actually,
What can you do?
right here. Oh. Go on. Right, now getting up this is going to be hard. There's nothing else to grab into. Oh shit.
Yeah, you're definitely pulling up that.
It'll be so right though. Made it up. Stop doing it on purpose! What a dickhead. Spider-Man.
Hold on to the handle.
No, boring.
Already.
Yeah. Go on, Tom. See how far you can get round. Oh, fuck me. You can definitely do it. Go on.
That footrest doesn't help.
Oh, somebody's touched my foot. What's this over here? I'm not sure what the audio's going to be like on this. I think the mic's full of water. Actually, I don't know where the mic is to be able to check it. Don't know. So if this is really muffled, I'm sorry. Let's try to go through these big balls. Get out of my way, balls. Go on then. You can do it. Oh! He made it!
I'll take that too far.
Go on then.
I'll get out of
He's in. You're alright. You know, helping on getting. Oh, he's okay. Should we go in? What else is that way? Alright. Get these big balls out of my face. Oh god, what is wrong with me? Oh god. Can I make it over this obstacle? Probably not. Oh, I can't even fucking stand up straight, so it's not off to a good start, is it? Oh! I've just hurt my toe. Oh.
That's a good fucking. Ow. Yeah, it's gonna do that.
Right on the balls. Oh. Wow. He's gone.
Go on, Tom.
Oh, he's got it. The camera wasn't there, you cheated. You little cheat. Oh, there's one over there. So, can he put it to the test?
Have to get over it. That's pretty hard. Just get on.
Go on, you've got it all day. He's an animal!
Dude, what the fuck? How'd you stand on it?
Well, I would. Do it by your feet! He's still on!
Not a sprint.
No slowing down. I don't think this counts.
No, it doesn't.
Boo. Boo.
Nice one.
There he goes.
Oh, right.
You gotta run. There you go. Oh my god, he's done it! He's over! Oh.
Jeez. Tell you what, some balls.
Oh!
Oh, he's two. Hey, he's two for me.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Only a yellow card, that one.
Oh,
Fuck
mate.
me.
Gotta get out of the way there. Oh my god. I need to blow the whistle on that one.
Go on then.
Someone else will go first.
No. I'll go. Oh, I should have said that. Oh! Fucking smashed it! Yeah. Waterpark. Completed it, mate. Go on.
Got time.
Up and over. Oh, I like the technique there. Finger up the bum. Oh shit. It's tiring work, honestly. Good fun though. Nice lovely breather. He's doing it again. How's he doing that? I'm not even going to try and attempt it.
Yeah, you're gonna just take it out.
Fucking 2 foot. So should we just go? Yeah. Right. You're cheating. I missed one that was upside down. It's funny. Oh, and more coming. He's a bear with a sniper rifle. Whoa, you fucker. I know, yeah. Oh, what a start. Thank you. Fresh. Just run, Tom. Oh. Then we're gonna go over to that the beanbag there. See how lovely. See how high we can get. Gonna let Tom go first. I'm struggling to get on it. Oh, there's a trampoline over there. You're gonna jump off that?
Might do. Let's see.
Might do a backflip. Quite nice and cosy, eh? No! Open your legs! Open him! Legs are open! Leaning forward! Oh, chameleon. Let's go! Woo! Shit! Oh! I'm fucking hit my balls right at the end. Scissored my legs open. Got to go on trampoline or?
No lifeguard.
No lifeguard, it's actually pretty fucking high. We've got to do it.
Yeah, we're in. On the slide.
Jesus, fuck me, that's actually really high.
Is it?
But it feels it when you're up there. Yeah. I'm less so about the trampoline because that gives you extra height, doesn't it? I'm more so doing this one.
I'd rather do that.
I'll bounce this trampoline. Do not jump from it. I wasn't going to jump from there. Oh, it's alright. Get a bit of height on it. Who's doing it first? Go on. Go on.
That's fine.
Oh, go on then, yeah.
Don't know what's there.
Trying to pussy out of it. Ah. That was alright. Do you want to go? Go on, after you, Tom.
This is wet.
Yeah. Very wet. Nice and pretty.
How far over the edge?
Oh, the edge is back here, mate. Got the moves like Jagger. Got the moves like Jagger. Where is he? Oh, fuck me.
He is taking a beat. Oh, yeah.
Let's go! Ow! I'm having a wee.
How you lead off?
I'm having one.
Oh, right.
Oh.
You got to swim through it.
Little bastard.
Oh.
Oh. Sorry. Swim through the piss water. No, definitely not. That's why I said you have to do the zip line first to get down here. But, oh well.
Oh, well.
Home time. Oh, time for a pint?
Yeah. I might get something.
Yeah.
My ticket comes, zip line through. Oh, you can
You can still see it.
Still use it, mate.
Oh, watch out the way, brum brum. It was fucking mint, that. Wow, it's an absolute workout though. I am shattered. Those two are shattered. Tom could barely pull himself up onto the fucking the beanbag to go. He's that tired. But yeah, honestly, what a day out.
You have the key, by the way?
I don't. Oh yeah, it's in your bag, innit? We are now leaving. One of the lads we met today had lost his phone and had to pay 5,000 baht to get his phone back to get a diver to come. It was like 120 pound. I mean, whoa, he's fell off. If you lose your phone, 120 quid's nothing really, is it, to get it back?
Oh.
But yeah, that's probably going to be it for today. I don't think any of the footage is actually usable because the mic got loads of water in it, but we'll make something out of it anyway. Show you what we've been up to today.